Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I will teach you how to be polite in Russian. And to be polite, this is not only about the words that you use, this is also about your attention. So let's start. Please never call Russian women like a woman. They are very upset about this. If you wanna call her somehow, better say young woman, like девушка, девушка. Девушка. If you see that she looks like a babushka, better don't say anything. But if you will say like a woman, like женщина, she will be very, very angry and upset. Because Russian women really care about their appearance, age, and so on. That's why never, please never ask Russian women how old are you. Never say this. She will be also very upset. But if she say like, how you think, how old am I, please better lie. Better say that she look younger. So our favorite phrase, like how to be polite, is спасибо, of course. Спасибо, спасибо, like thank you. Спасибо. And okay, we know how to say thank you, спасибо. How to answer if anyone else told you спасибо, you will say не за что, не за что, не за что. Or you can say пожалуйста, пожалуйста, пожалуйста. Very good. How to say excuse me or I'm sorry. In Russian that's the same. We say извините, извините or простите, простите. Извините, простите means excuse me or I'm sorry. If you want that anyone would help you, you will say помогите, пожалуйста, помогите, пожалуйста. Or maybe скажите, пожалуйста, скажите, пожалуйста. This part in the word те show that you respect the person. If you would say скажи, пожалуйста, you could say it just to your friend or maybe to a child. Yeah, it would be fine. But with people who we don't know, we always use these polite constructions like скажите, пожалуйста, помогите, пожалуйста. Also, if we don't know this person, we see him or her just the first time, we will say здравствуйте. We will not say привет. We will say здравствуйте, здравствуйте, здравствуйте. Or maybe добрый день or other greetings that I showed in my video. Вы не могли бы, and then continue. Вы не могли бы мне помочь. Вы не могли бы показать, где метро. Вы не могли бы дать мне свой телефон. So I will be glad if it was useful, and also you can book a trial consultation with me if you're interested in learning Russian. In description of this video I give all the links. So have a good day.